Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. I wanted to take a few moments to share with you a very unique, awesome opportunity to own a 2003 Grady-White 330 Express. This is an amazing boat with the award-winning CV2 hull design, and you can get this boat about the third of the price of a brand new one. And as you can see, it's been repowered with Mercury Verado 300s. This is a fantastic boat. Hop aboard, I want to show you a few things. Hey everyone, it's Kenny Brown here. I'm in the cockpit. No, this isn't a tuna, it's Kenny Brown. You know, one of the things that people notice right when they step aboard a Grady-White is the enormous beam, the width of a boat, anything 33 and over. You have so much room here to fish, to relax, to lounge. You'll notice the seat back here, this pushes out of the way so when you're fishing, huge fish box. You've got storage back here. And I have to show you this. For all of you that really like to fish, look at the size of this live well. It is huge, okay? You got prep station over here. As you step up here to the helm area, a couple things I want to highlight. This is a brand new deluxe helm chair, okay? And you can see that when you're up here, there is plenty of seating for entertaining, relaxing, getting out of the elements. This boat comes fully equipped with all of your isinglass. You've got twin 12-inch Garmin screens on the electronic box there, your digital controls. And I don't know if you noticed, but if you look at the pictures, this boat is also equipped with a bow thruster, which is a huge plus. But let's go down below and let me show you the cabin. Okay folks, Kenny Brown here. No, I'm not the tuna. That was on the back deck there. Hey, I'm down here in the cabin in this beautiful 2003 Grady-White 330 Express. I just wanted to show you the enormous amount of room down here in the cabin to relax if you want to do an overnight. You want to have the kids, the grandkids come down here and get out of the elements. You'll notice the salon here where you can sit down around the table, have your refreshments. You got a microwave, sink, refrigerator. Folks, this is an awesome way to just relax and enjoy your day, whether you've been out fishing, you've been at the island. Now keep in mind, this boat is equipped with a Fisher Panda generator, diesel generator, has right over 50 hours, and I've had this generator on. I've had it in the mid 70s, low 70s down here, and let me tell you, it is nice. And if you come down here, or you can look at the pictures, there's also a small aft cabin where an adult can sleep or two young kids. You've also got a full-size head here. Plenty of room with a full-size head there. And right here's your electronics panel. You got your 12-volt side, you got your 120-volt side. But folks, like I said earlier, this is a really rare, unique opportunity to own a 330 Express Grady-White at really a third of the price of a new one. Boat runs fantastic. I've personally been out on it. But with all that being said, if this boat is even likely thinking about maybe interested in this boat, give me a call directly, okay? Again, my name is Kenny Brown, and call me on my cell phone at 850-596-8108. And I hope to hear from you. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.